Damn, how unlucky. Alright, let's see. Alright, here we go, mate. This might get interesting. Oh, the rest of them are blank. I really have to be. I'll try. Good job, mate. You're smart. Three live rounds, 2 blanks. Starting with an unknown order. Wouldn't you be able to know which one's here first? Alright, let's see. Aw, man. It's a normal blank. Of course, that's not good. Now, boys. Wendy's is gonna win. He's gonna win a shotgun to the face. Hey, what? Alright. Wendy's wins. Round 2. Let's make things more interesting. Then. Oh, items. 2 each. More items for everyone. We got 2 secrets. Does it really matter which one? But just so you guys know, I'm gonna shoot because I don't really because I have 2 cigarettes. Here we go. This is no. He's an experienced smoker. He's good at it. Alright, we're gonna get behind it. Wait, hold on, is that? Alright, let's see. Magnifying glass. God! Alright, and we have a knife. We have 2 really good items. Well, if it's a blank, it's not really a good item, is it? Watch this. This is the one. Oh no! 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 He's gonna use the handcuffs. No! No, he's picking the bee as well. Oh, thank God. One less tool for me to take to the forehead. Oh, God damn it. Beautiful. Can't wait. Alright, let's see what's gonna happen. 2 more items. Let's see. Oh, beer. Oh, another beer. 3 rounds. 2 blanks. I'm gonna drink both the beer. Oh, first, yeah, these cigarettes. I'm not an experienced smoker, not as good as him. Alright, let's see if we're really lucky. If we are the luckiest man on earth, we should be. Alright. Wow! I'm unlucky as hell. Oh, nice job. I bet you got that. Did we just waste all the bullets? Bro. Really? Let's go. Through that rounds. Blah, 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 blah. Let's go. Drink the beer. Alcohol, motherfucker. Alright, that was good. We got this, boys. Watch. Take that. Come on! No! I'm getting shot. There's no way. The tank comes on, he shoots himself. You're kidding me, mate. Really, mate? Really? No way! There's no way. I shot myself. Wait, he shot me. I'm getting shot. I'm getting shot again. Oh. Oh crap, there's all bullet in it? He shot me once, he shot, alright. A knife, another knife, we can do double. Okay. He has. He killed me. Oh. There we go. You can literally just kill this guy. I'm wet. Please, please, game. Please, please. Oh. If I am that unlucky, he can kill me. He's gonna take that. He's gonna get 3. I could have won. Put that on. He's gonna check. I bet he's gonna be alive, bro. Because I'm not lucky, but he is. Oh my! We arrived at the final show. No more defibrillators, no more blood transfusions. Live rounds. We've shot 2, so we're gonna do this. That means the rest is playing. My odds of shooting him are not that good, but I'm still gonna try. I actually got. That means it's probably. And I won this Let's take a look. This got me that